For over a century, the skies have been a battleground. From the rickety biplanes of World War I to the advanced fighter jets of today, aerial combat has constantly evolved. Each technological leap has reshaped military strategy and the very nature of warfare. The introduction of radar altered the dynamics of air combat, allowing for detection beyond visual range. Missiles extended the reach of engagement, turning dogfights into long-range duels. Now we stand on the precipice of another monumental shift in aerial warfare. Under one day. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is poised to become the new game changer, promising to redefine the way battles are fought in the skies. The recent successful test flight of an AI-controlled F16 fighter jet marks a turning point, a clear signal that the era of autonomous warfare is no longer a futuristic fantasy but an emerging reality. This development has sent ripples through the military and defense communities, sparking debate and raising fundamental questions about the future of warfare. The implications are vast and multifaceted, encompassing strategic, ethical, and technological dimensions. As we delve deeper into the implications of AI in aerial combat, it is crucial to understand the technological advancements driving this change, the potential impact on military strategy, and the ethical dilemmas that come hand in hand with autonomous weapon systems. The future of warfare is being rewritten in the skies, and the world is watching closely as AI takes flight. The recent AI-controlled F-16 test flight was a watershed moment. An unmanned F-16 guided solely by AI algorithms successfully took off, executed maneuvers, and landed safely, showcasing the maturity and potential of autonomous flight technology. This wasn't merely a remote controlled flight. The AI system was making decisions in real time, reacting to simulated combat scenarios, and demonstrating a level of autonomy never seen before in a fighter jet. The technology behind this feat is complex and multifaceted, involving a confluence of advancements in AI, sensor technology, and aerospace engineering. At the heart of the system lies a sophisticated AI algorithm capable of processing vast amounts of data from various sensors, including radar, lidar, and cameras, to create a real-time understanding of its surroundings. This allows the AI to make split-second decisions regarding flight path, maneuvering, and target engagement, all without human intervention. The success of this test flight signifies a major leap forward in autonomous military technology. It demonstrates the feasibility of deploying AI-controlled fighter jets in real-world combat scenarios, potentially revolutionizing aerial warfare. The implications are far-reaching, impacting not only how battles are fought, but also the very structure and strategy of military forces. This technological breakthrough has opened the door to a new era of warfare, one where unmanned systems play a pivotal role on the battlefield. Section 3. Self-förtjänta som vapen on possession and transforming military strategy, a battlefield revolution. The advent of autonomous fighter jets like the AI-controlled F-16 has the potential to reshape military strategy in profound ways. Traditionally, aerial combat has relied heavily on the skill and experience of human pilots. However, AI-controlled jets can react faster, execute more complex maneuvers, and endure higher G-forces than their human counterparts, potentially giving them a significant advantage in combat. This could lead to a shift in tactics with a greater emphasis on speed, agility, and precision strikes. Furthermore, the deployment of autonomous fighter jets could alter the balance of power in aerial warfare. AI-controlled jets are not susceptible to fatigue, fear, or emotional stress, factors that can impact human pilots in high-pressure combat situations. This could make them more resilient and reliable in prolonged engagements, potentially shifting the advantage towards the side with superior autonomous capabilities. The strategic implications extend beyond individual dogfights, potentially influencing the overall conduct of wars. The introduction of autonomous systems could also lead to a reduction in human casualties. By removing pilots from the cockpit, the risk of losing human life in aerial combat is significantly reduced. However, this raises ethical concerns about the accountability of autonomous systems and the potential for unintended consequences. At the intersection for ethical crossroads, navigating the moral minefield, the development of autonomous weapon systems, including AI-controlled fighter jets, raises a host of ethical questions that demand careful consideration. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of accountability. In a traditional combat scenario, human pilots are responsible for their actions and decisions. However, in the case of an autonomous system, it becomes less clear who bears responsibility for potential mistakes or unintended consequences. Is it the engineers who designed the AI, the military commanders who deployed it, or the algorithms themselves? Another ethical dilemma stems from the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If the data used to train these algorithms contains biases, it can lead to discriminatory outcomes on the battlefield. For instance, an AI system trained on data that disproportionately associates certain ethnic groups with hostile behavior could exhibit prejudiced targeting patterns. This raises concerns about the potential for AI-driven warfare to exacerbate existing societal biases and inequalities. Furthermore, the increasing reliance on autonomous weapon systems could lower the threshold for conflict. Without the immediate risk to human life, nations might be more inclined to engage in military action, potentially leading to an increase in armed conflicts. The ethical implications of AI in warfare are complex and multifaceted, requiring careful consideration and international collaboration to establish clear guidelines and safeguards. The development and deployment of autonomous weapon systems must be guided by ethical principles that prioritize human safety and well-being. Tempe pursues Section 5 Manasipasa Praipu Panepomatasam purposes looking ahead also to Tomteserosia to Ponomaseishe could be the future of autonomous warfare. The AI-controlled F16 Takes Flight is a glimpse into the future of warfare, a future where autonomous systems play an increasingly prominent role. This trend is likely to accelerate in the coming years, driven by rapid advancements in AI, robotics, and sensor technology. We can expect to see more sophisticated autonomous weapon systems capable of operating with greater independence and across a wider range of domains, from air and land to sea and space. This evolution will necessitate a reassessment of military doctrines and strategies. The integration of autonomous systems into existing military structures will require new training methods, command structures, and operational protocols. Moreover, the potential for AI-driven escalation and the risks associated with autonomous decision-making demand careful consideration and the development of robust safeguards to enhance. To prevent some unintended consequences. The future of autonomous warfare is fraught with both opportunities and challenges. On the one hand, AI-powered systems offer the potential for enhanced military capabilities, reduced human casualties, and more efficient operations. On the other hand, they raise ethical dilemmas regarding accountability, bias, and the potential for unintended escalation. Navigating this complex landscape will require international cooperation, ethical frameworks, and a commitment to ensuring that the development and deployment of autonomous weapon systems serve to enhance global security and stability. The decisions we make today will shape the future of warfare for generations to come.